In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava app. Strava is a fitness tracking app that helps you record runs, rides, hikes, and more, then analyze your performance and share progress with a supportive community. We'll walk through getting set up, recording your first activity, and making the most of the key features. Start by installing Strava from the App Store or Google Play, then create an account. During onboarding, the app may ask for permissions like location and motion access. Allow these so GPS-based activities track accurately. You can adjust notification and privacy preferences at any time in settings, and the free version is perfect for getting started. Next, customize your profile so friends can recognize you. Add a photo, set your display name, and choose basic preferences. If you want to find training buddies, connect with friends by syncing your contacts or searching for them directly. In settings, you can also link a compatible smartwatch or GPS device so activities sync automatically. Handy if you prefer leaving your phone behind. When you're ready to work out, open the app and tap record on the bottom bar. Choose your sport, like run, ride, or walk, then press start. Give the app a moment to lock onto GPS outdoors for the best accuracy, and keep your phone somewhere with a clear view of the sky. As you move, you'll see live stats such as time, distance, and pace or speed. When you finish, tap stop, then finish. You can name your activity, add photos from your session, and save it. A clear title and a quick description make it easier to find later. If you need to tweak anything like the activity type or notes, you can edit after saving. If you're exercising indoors, select an indoor sport option to track without GPS. This is ideal for treadmill runs, indoor rides, or strength sessions. The app will log time and effort, and if your device provides distance or heart rate, that data can be included as well. To review your workout, head to the U tab. There, you'll see your activity map, distance, elevation, and pace or speed, along with summaries of recent efforts. It's a great place to spot trends and celebrate progress. Strava also highlights segments, community-created stretches of road or trail. You'll see how your time compares to your past efforts and to others on a leaderboard. Use segments to set goals and track personal bests over time. Finally, the social side brings it all together. Give kudos to friends' activities, leave encouraging comments, and join clubs to participate in challenges. It's motivating fun and keeps you accountable. That's it. Install, set up, record, review, and enjoy the community. Now open Strava and hit record on your next workout.